Well, hello friends. It's time to start cooking. Of course, you may think, where's this guy been? He started this cooking videos and then kind of disappeared. Well, just so you're aware, I went ahead and wanted to finish my master's degree and finish that well, which I did back in May. Since then, I've been doing some volunteer work, a little bit of backpacking and adventure. I've put up a couple of videos here and there, but I have not been as consistent. I can't promise I'm going to be super consistent, but I do promise I'm going to try to resurrect some of my videos. I want to do more videos on my outdoor activities, more videos on my thoughts vis-a-vis counseling and the integration of psychology and biblical truth. And then also what I want to do is do more cooking videos. But I'm going to try to do shorter cooking videos. So I'd like to know your thoughts on this video in comparison to some of my others. It obviously will have a bit of a longer intro because this is a mea culpa. I'm sorry. My videos have been few and far between of late, but I'm going to try to do better. But let me know what you think about the format, because instead of having a lot of interaction with me, you're going to have some, but mostly it's going to be my hands attacking food and getting things prepared. So to that end, today I'm going to introduce you to chicken piccata. Some of you may have had chicken piccata in an Italian restaurant. It is officially an Italian meal, although it originated, as far as I can tell, in the 1930s in New York in an Italian restaurant. So it's based on Italian tastes, if you will, but it didn't actually come from Italy. Piccata is, in essence, a way of preparing meat. Thinly sliced, dredged in flour, fried up, and then served with a lemon-based, caper-based, tangy sauce. That's what we're going to do today. Chicken piccata. You can use the piccata method, by the way, with veal, with seafood, with almost anything. But I really like it with chicken, and I hope you enjoy the video. Again, if you do, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Subscribe or send it off to your friends to subscribe. Encourage them to get involved. And let me know what you think. Again, new videos coming. Some of them will be my outdoor activities. Some will be some of my random thoughts. And some of them will be cooking videos. So a little bit of everything. But hey, life is an adventure. Let's do some adventure in the kitchen. you.